What's up guys, it's Avocado Man and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to host your bot 24/7 on Repellent. Let's get started. So first you want to go to this button called Add File. Here you want to type in any name you want, but I'm just going to name it Kaw.py. Here you want to wait for it to load. Now you want to do from Flask import Flask. Next you want to do from threading import thread. Now you want to do app equals Flask and just empty quotation marks. Now you want to do app.root. You want to put quotation marks and then just a slash. Then make a new line. Then name it def, whatever you want. I'm just going to name it home. Here you want to put nothing in the parenthesis and put a colon. Now you want to return whatever you want. I'm just going to name it bot is alive 24/7. And then you want to make a new definition called def run. And then inside you want to do app.run host equals quotation marks 0.0.0.0. So you should have 4 zeros and 3 dots. Then you want to do port equals 8000. Then you want to make a new definition called def keep alive. Add the colon. Then you want to do t equals thread target equals run, then t dot start. Okay, after you've written all of this code, you want to go back to your main.py file and then type from Kaw import keep alive. Then you want to go down to the bottom, right above client.run, and add keep alive with the parenthesis. Then you want to press stop and run it again. So we made a typo. This should be port, not post. And then run it again. And so this did not happen for me, but you should get like this white screen pop up and it should say whatever you wrote here. So then after that you want to copy this link, go to dashboard on uptimerobot.com, log in or sign up, and I'll just show you the process. So register or log in. I have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Then log in. Then you're probably going to get sent to the something that looks like this. So from here you just want to press add new monitor, press HTTPS, friendly name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it tutorial. Then remove the HTTPS, then add in the link that you copied from the Repellent, and then press create monitor twice and press close. And as you can see, the tutorial monitor popped up, and now that's your bot's basically going to be alive 24/7. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. The like goal for this next video is 5 likes, so if you get 5 likes, then I'll make the next video. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.